Hey, what's up, furniture nerds? Welcome to another episode of Flat Packs Exposed, the review series, brought to you by Prime Spaces.
Hey, what's up, furniture nerds? Doing this quick review of this kitchen pantry with a wine rack. It's got a hutch, it's got cabinets, it's got shelves, it's got drawers. I mean, this thing's pretty much got it all, guys. So let's kind of go through what we got here. We have the wine rack down here, and looks like we can fit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 wine bottles, right? We've got 2 storage units here on the side with shelves. These are fixed shelves, by the way. However, if we go up here, you can see it has this shelf right here for you to lay things on, prepare things on. But then we have these shelves right here, which are adjustable. So these are adjustable. This is fixed. All right, and so all this, we have the 2 window pane style doors here, which look really, really nice. And we got these candles right here that look sort of metallic. But they're definitely not cheap, folks. This is really nice. So let's talk about the assembly. The assembly took me, I want to say, about 3 hours to complete. I was using a drill, so take that into mind. If you're not using a drill, not using power tools, and you're using just a regular screwdriver, it might take you a little bit longer, and you'll likely need more than one person. But overall, you can expect anywhere from maybe 3 to maybe 5 hours, depending, of course, on your skill set. So I would definitely advise that maybe you have a person with you while you're doing the assembly. Also, when it comes to the assembly, make sure you are noticing that these handles right here, okay, are different than these ones down here. And one thing that you might want to do, which I didn't see them include, were small little white plastic caps that might go over the top here so that these aren't visible, but you can get those online. But other than that, guys, this thing looks great. It looks like it can store a lot of different stuff. You certainly won't have any issues preparing food or drinks or anything like that if you have friends over. So I definitely give it the thumbs up. Go ahead and check it out, and I'll check you guys on the next review.